Hey all, this is Shilpa from Food Canopy. I'm here to show you guys an interesting recipe that is the national soup of India. No, it's not tomato soup. It's mulligatawny soup. Let's go ahead and start preparing this interesting recipe. Let's go ahead and start making the spice blend for the soup. Let's press the saute mode. Let's wait for the inner pot to get heated up. Once the inner pot is heated up, let's add the whole spices. Add 2 whole star anise, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Let's go ahead and break the star anise to small pieces for even roasting. Roast them evenly until the spices turn pale brown in color. It gives a nice aroma. Please take out the spices, let them cool for a while and blend it into a coarse powder. Here is the blend of roasted spices. Add 1 tablespoon of roasted coriander powder and add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to the mixture. Mix it well. In case you have the coriander seeds and the cinnamon sticks, you can go ahead and roast them with the other whole spices. Nothing can beat the aroma of the freshly ground spices. Let's go ahead and start preparing our soup. Select the saute mode. Let's go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil to the inner pot. Add half cup of chopped celery. Add 1 cup of chopped onions. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. This is a mixture of 4 cloves of garlic and half-inch ginger which I have grated together. Let's go ahead and add it. Add about 225 to 250 grams of chopped carrots. These are around 2 medium size chopped carrots. Add about 60 grams of chopped turnips, 1 medium sized turnip, and lots of curry leaves which I had dry roasted earlier. It gives a real aroma to the soup. Add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. I have soaked and then drained the split red lentils. These are around 2/3 cup. Let's go ahead and add it. I am adding 4 cups of vegetable stock. This is a fresh homemade vegetable stock. Vegetable stock gives a rich flavor to the soup. Finally, we add our spice mix which we had prepared in step 1. Adjust the salt as per taste. Let's go ahead and close the lid of the pot and adjust the valve to sealing mode. Let's pressure cook it on high for 5 minutes. For multi-pot 2 users, you need to adjust the pressure release mode to natural. Mulligatawny comes from a Tamil word mulliga, which means pepper, and tane is water. Basically, the word means pepper water. The soup was developed during the British Raj in India. They loved the combination of pepper, water and rice, and they wanted something in the form of stew. So the recipe was developed. They used chicken broth and chicken to make this soup. We are making the vegetarian version of it. This Anglo-Indian recipe is the best example where the East meets the West. The blend of the lentils, the vegetables, vegetable stock, interesting spices, creaminess from the coconut milk makes it even more delicious, and it's quite sumptuous too. The reason why I would say this is a sumptuous soup because it is garnished with rice and it is served in various restaurants throughout the world. You must give it a shot. After 10 minutes of natural pressure release, let's release the remaining pressure. For Mildi Multipot 1 users as well as Instant Pot, turn the pressure control valve to venting mode. For Mildi Multipot 2 users, press cancel. Long press pressure release button. Let's go ahead and open the lid. Our soup is ready. It smells really good. Let's go ahead and blend it into a smooth puree. Please make sure that you blend it into a smooth puree. It took me around 2 minutes. After blending, this is how it looks. Yummylicious, isn't it? Add 3/4 cup of coconut milk to the puree.